Good morning, everyone. We have the last time. I'd like to introduce about the tropical food in Thailand, and also from climate change. The fruit industry in Thailand also export about 4%, and fruit export volume of reach 2.1 million, approximately 175 million baht. But in Thai baht and Taiwan dollar is similar, a little bit different. The primary export market I put in China, the big market. Also, United States, Malaysia, Hong Kong export frozen, dry fruit, and also in still growing for processing. The best practice adaptation, strategy for there's climate change. Also, there's like a smart agriculture. Also, we also the same problem in Asia, in Indonesia, Philippines, also Vietnam. Also same problem. I'm just heard about the Japanese also got a problem about this. This one like a policy, and improve about improve water management. Irrigation system is also very important for when the summer season in Thailand. In Thailand now we have only 3 seasons, especially 2 seasons in Thailand, hot and very hot. So not going to have food anywhere. And the capacity of beauty in the great workshop and demonstration that we also do the same Taiwan and also Indonesia. That's very important to give the knowledge to the farmer. For specific climate change challenge in Thailand, also sending El Nino is very big problem. Like this year, we also got problem about the flowering time and mango and also durian. Last month we went and that also the beautiful flower, but after you go back to Taiwan or to your country, the flower already top already. I also solve this problem within my student. I will show you. Also, extreme weather, that's also the same thing. Temperature fluctuation. Sometimes rain, sometimes very hot. Even after rain, also very hot. Also, it increases for the factory, also not enough water. And increased pest and design and disease. This is also problem. May I show you about the data of fruit? That's I choose about 3: durian, mangosteen, and passion fruit. That's in 2022. That's also we have plantation about 100,000, nearly 100,000 hectares, and production about 300,000 tons, and the productivity about per kg per hectare. That's about 9. It's quite high. It's the average around Thailand, 9,000 kg. And mangosteen is not so big well like at the same durian. Durian also export to China. The planted area also about just 68,000 hectares. And the product 4 million, about 4 million. For passion fruit, I got only one in 1 year, only 1 year. Passion fruit in Thailand also very big problem about viral disease, and they look like it look like a vegetable. We have to change and grow in every year. There's fluctuation about the yield and also planted area in there. It's not so big scale as same Taiwan and Vietnam. Okay, that's the same problem right now from last month. There's a very big problem even in my orchards, in my nursery also, but dry and that's El Nino problem. And also somewhere in the southern part of Thailand also have a big rain. It came from Indonesia and Philippines also, and from the same year 2020, also same thing. And that's why about a big durian hang on the foot a lot. They are replant again, and also dry and some the nematode, very big problem, and also phytophthora. This one for high temp, what the problem? When high temperature, actually they have the flower and fruit drop in everywhere. This year mango in Thailand not so much. The price is quite good for the farmer, but not around. And for reduce the size of fruit, so sometimes the fruit not ripening yet, fruit already ripening, but the color, the skin color not change. That's a problem. For cacao, that for example in mango also and cacao, you can see the inside over ripening and have got a root already, but skin still green. That's problem. That's same foliar. That's from the temperature. Even I also research for grapes in university. A lot of fruit, but no, didn't change the color. They are already ripening. That's a problem. For durian, now we plant from south to the north, Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai. So we also plant a lot, but we have the different time flowering. But they also talk about the climate change and very hot. This is the last time that also we been there here, not here. The flower at they are already drop. That's how to solve this problem. We also use I also do just my student make us a lot of hormone to protect, and also for the flower pollination and for food set, and also that's very important for we make like the draft or control canopy not too high. Hopefully we can do at the same Taiwan do in mango. It's also mango steam. Also hopefully we can do not so high. For mango, this in Japan and this one in Taiwan. We need to do at the same. If we got the food price at the same Taiwan and Japan. So the price in Thailand very low, just 50 baht per kg, just $2. But if we can get 500 baht at the same your wax apple, maybe you can do like this in the future. Hopefully we can do. Okay, and for the passion fruit, I also work on passion fruit. In Taiwan, it's very beautiful, but in Thailand, still have like this because farmer problem. This is also we use Taiwan. We collaborate with Dr. Lee. Yeah. Also, we got virus. We check already in Thailand. Virus is very serious in food star, Mantensin. But the Taitung is good, very good for tolerant virus. And for grape, I also even in the tropical area we can grow grape at the same somewhere. Very hot, but can do incentive. That's why I mentioned about if we do the incentive and uniform food like this, that we can get high good quality because the everything balanced and good nutrition. And for pH also very important. And I also initiate a flower by hormone. I do by myself. It's my hormone. Doing for lychee, we can get the flower from the branch. And this is for a long can. We use about long can. We use that 110 CPU 10 ppm and boron 1000. We can get 100% from this sour and wet. This one for long can that we also use to we get 95% flowering. This is a long can. Normally put in the shoot, but we can get the fruit from the big brand like this. At the same some wax apple. This is my research. We can do spray from hormone. Okay. Also, even mango also cut the flower from stem like this, and can be about the flower very good. And also we do the passion fruit same thing. Free virus. This one just from last month we do about the lambitan for protect the fruit drop by hormone. Okay, thank you very much.